Alright, hello everyone. In this video I'd like to show you my little creation that I've been working on for the past 8 hours. It's incredibly dumb, but I think it's worth your attention. It must be the most horrendous website in the existence of the internet. We're going to visit it from Windows 11, my most hated operating system. But it will work for us as a honey wagon tonight. Yeah, I don't think we'll use Edge. Let's install Chrome. I got a package too. Chrome setup 1.exe, who cares? Let's go ahead and install it. And while it's installing, I think I'll tell you the entire story behind the website. I had a domain I bought for kicks and giggles a while ago, and I randomly thought, hey, it could be funny if I got lots of ad companies pushing their campaigns on a single website. Actually, not a single website, rather a single HTML page. Just a page full of ads, interstitials, redirects, pop-ups, just a fuckload of garbage. So I signed up for an ad company with my money-pumping, zero-visitor domain name. It was bound to an empty page too. I don't know why I did it. I expected nothing. Just an immediate slap in the face and rejection, possibly even a ban from the website. But I was wrong, they actually approved me, and I got involved in my first and juicy ad campaign, which involved the double fake download buttons. Yes, these are the ones you can find everywhere, especially on the WordPress pages, with fake cracks and fake paid software. I imported their advertisement code, and it literally started generating malware. Straight up. That was pretty unexpected, but funny as well. It was at that point I could actually generate my own malware without the need of searching for cracked Bandicam or Vegas Pro or Malwarebytes, whatever. So I pressed onwards, getting signed up for every ad company out there, and guess what? Many approved my empty but growing site. Or, well, an ad tumor in that website. That's fine. It grew so much that the website is completely unusable. And that's why I think it's the most horrendous website in the world. And now, with Chrome installed, let's go ahead and see what it has in store for us. mgen.fast-dl.xyz. Here's the website. Get ready. Oh, it's actually October the 2nd, I think. Yep, there we go. Now, we set the date and time correctly. Let's see what the website has in store for us. Ooh. Okay, so they're already asking us to approve the notifications. Do we need a VPN? Oh, we can't even click on the block. Oh, and straight off the bat, we got Chromeneus. Fast, secure, and smart web browser. Oh, how can I remove Chromeneus browser? Oh, that's definitely malware. So let's download. Oh, Chrome setup. Yeah, let's keep it downloading. Oh my god, reddaz.fun. World of Tanks. And you can't click it because and we can't close the ad because it's starting to open the pop-ups. Dude, it just doesn't allow me to. Okay, Chromeneus. That got old pretty quickly. Need VPN? Nope. Alright, there we go. Here's the website. We finally got to it. And here's the double download link I was talking about at the beginning. I'll go ahead and download Flash Player. And no, I don't think we can because it's, again, Chromeneus. Oh, my file's ready to be downloaded, dude. Let's go. Let's download our file that is ready to be downloaded. Wonder where it brings us. Oh boy, setup file. Download. It's 7-zip. At least we can close it now. Pretty good. I need the VPN too. Top VPN providers. Great. Oh my god, I missed the close button. And finally, we are at the web page, but can we click anywhere without getting redirected? Yes, we can. Finally, I can click the link. The fake download link. That redirects us to downloadfilearea.com, which in turn gives us 7-zip. Again. Oh, it's not. Oh no, it's gonna redirect us? No! Oh my god, no! Oh, file found. 18 plus. Yes, let's click allow. I want my file. Give me my download. My food. Oh, we got a warning sign. What's that? Two at the same time. Absolutely insane. Okay, we need to install the total ad block. And if I'm 18 plus, I need to click allow. Yes, allow. Notification scam. I want an iPhone 13. Spin the wheel! Wait. Oh no, it doesn't work. Try one more time. Oh, here we got the Kodi file. That's something different to the 7-zip. Your file's ready to download. No way, dude. We actually got the file called your file's ready to download. Let's run the copy of it in case it self-deletes. I got a download assistant once, a really rare one, and then I lost it because it self-deleted afterwards. Here's the Kodi file. Yeah. How was it called? Install core, the generic install core installer. But it's called your file's ready to download. Get Bandicam finally. Oh, that's totally not suspicious at all. What is that file? Genuinely interested now. It's Crystal Disk Mark. New home video. Nope. Nope. Get out. Oh wait, it's the fake close button. Crystal Disk Mark. Setup could not download the file. Wait, it's a Windows notification. What happened? Oh. Here's the Bandicam. The smart screen doesn't want me to run it. So it could be malicious. What was that? I'm gonna slow it down. Oh, it's a download assistant. Not bad. I don't think it's gonna work on a VM, but we're going to test it on a Sandbox later. Setup 201. When the natural tool. With a pixel loading screen. 5-cap app. Oh, download manager. Here it is. Oh, it has no optional offers, unfortunately. But we are going to test it in a Sandbox anyway. So, in the end, I can tell you this website is really stupid. And you should only run it on your VM or in a Sandbox browser. This is very important. If you don't have a VM, do not run this on your host machine. Simply because of the amount of malware I have just downloaded. I just showed you. Everything in the downloads folder is straight up from the website I've just created. And hence, it is called the malware generator. Well, I hope you have fun using my website to generate some fresh malware without searching for Bandicam or any other cracked software. And finally, let's get to testing the files I've just downloaded in the Sandbox. Alrighty, we are on the Sandbox computer. Just gotta wait till the Windows loads, and we are going to test every single sample I've got from the single website malware run from a malware generator. Oh wow, look at that VGA capture. That's gorgeous. Here's our new fresh sample pack with 7-zip. If this is how 7-zip advertises itself, I condemn it, but we are still not going to check them. The more interesting executables here should be your files ready to download media player, perhaps Chromius, which we got immediately after starting the malware run. But alright, let's go ahead and run your files ready to download in a dumpster fire sandbox that I've specifically prepared for the test. It's probably going to be the Kodi file downloader. It is likely going to run on a VM, but it will show a crippled selection for optional offers. Hit next, and we already got Adware Web Companion, which is great. I made a video about Adware not so long ago. It is the antivirus that spreads malware through their own CDN. Accept. Opera, of course, Voliant, another gem that I've made a video about a few months ago. In the meantime, while Kodi file is downloading, let's check what setup and a bunch of gibberish is all about. I'm going to run everything as UAC administrator. File recovery, that's all good. I don't want Kodi file, that's a real executable. Schedule tasks, seems like it wants to add an entry to the task scheduler. I'm not going to let it. Oh, I've downloaded the Kodi file, that's great. Still running scheduled tasks. Dude, what's with the ad blockers all of a sudden? Holy crap. There are so many ad blockers, dude. Also notification scams. This is not getting better, it's just getting worse. Oh my god. Now I think we reviewed most of the malware we have downloaded online through the malware generator. And it truly seems like the malware has become more web-oriented more than anything. You can find all the fake extensions out there. For instance, I performed another malware run while I was installing all the garbage because I was bored and I was just generally waiting for the download assistant to work. I didn't, unfortunately, and I got all sorts of garbage online. I've never seen this many fake extension landing pages. Maybe I got lucky, but there are so many ad blockers. It's actually unbelievable. Look at that. My next video will definitely be about fake ad blockers. But for now, I think that's it. Thank you for watching and take care.